Australian-listed PURA-VIDA-ENERGY has a 75% interest in an oil field exploration project off the coast of Morocco, an area that's increasingly seeing more and more headlines, especially amongst the small cap sector. Damon Neves is the MD and joins us now. Damon, welcome.
Thanks, John.
You IPO'd earlier this year, and I know that you've got an independently certified potential resource of in excess of 1 billion barrels of oil off the Moroccan coast. But I'd like to start off by asking you the question as to why Morocco for PURA-VIDA?
We see huge potential, exploration potential in Morocco. The story that's unfolded in recent times in Africa has seen some huge discoveries along that western transform margin. We're talking billions of barrels of discovered oil. And what's followed on from that has been a land grab along the North Atlantic coast. And we see Morocco as being one of the more favourable places to be doing business. And certainly the geology there is very encouraging.
You're in the process of de-risking the project. What's this involve?
Well, the current work program comprises two elements. The first is a reprocessing work. So we're reprocessing the existing 3D seismic we have over the block. So we've got a substantial amount of modern, high-quality 3D data, over 3,500 square kilometres of 3D data, and we've mapped up some significant structures on that, as you mentioned in the opening, over 1 billion barrel potential. So we're doing some work on the reprocessing to get those prospects ready for drilling. That work will be finalised by August of this year. The second element is a drop core program. We've contracted a vessel which is currently scheduled to arrive in Morocco in July of this year. And that vessel will be acquiring 50 ocean bed drop cores. Those cores will be analysed. We're looking to find oil seeps in places where we'd expect oil to migrate to the surface. Both the reprocessing work and the drop core program will help improve the chances of success and the risking of our leading drilling candidates.
What's the investment potential then at these current prices?
Look, we think it's a very compelling investment proposition. We're seeing a lot of price support at current levels, and we also see significant potential upside as we have a number of high-impact news events unfolding later in the year. Once we finish the reprocessing work, we'll be looking at farming out to fund the forward drilling program. So where we'd hope to be at the end of the year is fully funded in a program that'll be targeting hundreds of millions of barrels net to PURA-VIDA.
So you won't have to raise any money?
No, we're fully funded for our current work program in Morocco up to the drilling phase. So we'll be looking to trade down our existing 75% equity in the project to fund the forward drilling program.
Okay, clearly an exciting project, but just quickly recap again what you got in terms of the timeline for this year and into next.
Yeah, so the reprocessing work will be completed in August. That's on time, on budget. And currently the vessel that's undertaking the drop core program is due in July, and we'll get the geochemical analysis work back shortly thereafter.
One final question has to be about the management team. What are they bringing?
Yeah, look, we've got a strong team. I think we've got the right mix of commercial and technical skills. We've got, for a junior oil company, I think we've got a very strong technical team with a lot of industry experience. In fact, our technical team has been involved throughout their various careers in a number of discoveries. So there's a demonstrable track record there of exploration success. The team is very much acquisitions focused, and again, there's a demonstrable record in value accretive acquisitions and building shareholder value through acquisition as well as exploration success and discovery.
Okay, well look, we wish you all the very best at PURA-VIDA-ENERGY. It's Damon Neves, he's the MD of PURA-VIDA.
This film is for educational and leisure purposes only. Proactive Investors does not provide investment advice. The company is a publisher and is not registered with or authorized by the Financial Services Authority. please refer to the full terms and conditions on the Proactive Investors website.